We're just seconds away from retail sales and import prices. And the futures this morning have moderated a little bit. They're up more than that, but who knows how much movement we see for the next couple of trading sessions. Maybe there'll be some. Rick Santelli standing by at the CME in Chicago. Rick, you got the numbers, please?
Yes, we are awaiting our August read, of course, on retail sales. This is the advanced look. We'll get a more penciled-in look in about a week and a half. And the numbers hitting the wires 3 times better than expectations. Expecting up 0.2, clocking in at up 0.6%. That would be the highest since it was up nearly 1% in June. The high watermark, of course, was up 1.5. That was in March. If you strip out autos, it moves up to up 0.7%. That's the best since June when it was up 0.8. And if we strip out autos and gas, it remains up 0.7, the best since June when it was up 0.8. And the core retail sales, known as control, also up 0.7. Very strong numbers, the best also since June when it was up 0.8. We are losing just a smidge on the top revision. Oh, I take that back. We're gaining ground. Last month's up 0.5%, now becomes up 0.6, and you're adding 0.1 on both ex-autos and ex-autos and gas. Import prices month over month for August expected down 0.2, goes 0.5% the other way, up 0.3%. That would, of course, equate to our last look, which was up 0.4. So you can see these numbers have turned positive. The last negative read was June when it was minus 0.1. The worst was minus 0.4 in March. We started out the year up 0.3. So we're right back to where we started. Strip out petroleum, up 0.2. If we look at import prices year over year, the big look, it is unchanged at 0, pretty much close to expectations. And if we look at export prices month over month, up 0.3. That would be the warmest since it was up 0.5% in June. And last month's up 0.1, joins up 0.3. And finally, on the year-over-year export prices, much bigger pop than I would have anticipated, up 3.4%. Year-over-year export prices, and that would be the hottest of the year in terms of increases. To find a bigger number than 3.4%, you're going all the way back to the end of 2022. So part of that, of course, might be fluctuations with respect to foreign exchange. But to summarize, well, the bond market does that best, doesn't it? We're hovering right around 404, unchanged in a 10-year. We're up about 1.5 basis points on the data after getting some volatility. And the pre-opening equities are roughly in line to where they were, minus 26 in Dow futures. Joe, back to you.